So I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but Pikes Peak is right there. Another view of Pikes Peak. So we made it to our viewpoint, but pretty cool. I like this area. That was quite a pretty view you guys just saw, wasn't it? I really like this area for the view. So we made it to the trailer. We're gonna go ahead and get it hooked up. So I'll get a little more detail on what we're doing for the next couple days is I'm actually gonna hook it up. We're not heading out to go camp today. That's gonna be tomorrow. They're calling for some cold weather. I won't even get above freezing. So I wanna get the trailer out for about a night or so. So a few things we're taking on this trip. We're gonna take our campfire pit, solar panel. I will probably not use this table, but I'm gonna take it anyways. And then I combined the diesel heater in here, which looks like it's probably been leaking a little bit. But we're gonna put hook the diesel heater up as well. All right, so I got the trailer hooked up. This thing's been a bear to hook up lately. I don't know why, but it's like I gotta kind of get a little aggressive with it. Battery charge, I left it on by accident. I am gonna keep the fridge on for a little bit, so I don't really need it where I'm going. They're calling for some pretty cold weather. But yeah, so I don't have any water in it. I pull my faucet off, so there's no water in this trailer. We're gonna go pretty remote for the most part. It's gonna be just gallon water jugs and some food, and that's pretty much about it. Good morning, YouTube. As you can see behind me, the trailer is staying put. So we've kind of had a little bit of a change of plans for our trip today. I don't know, I'm just not feeling 100% to go camp, so we're gonna go do something a little different, and we're gonna go check out kind of some history of Colorado. So you stay tuned. We're on our way there now, and I'll see you when we get there. So we just made a little stop on our way to our location, and as you can see behind me, we got some cool rocks. We're gonna go explore them for a little bit. So I found a little gnome garden in here. This is pretty neat. Someone put all this stuff in here. All right, so I think I found the cave or slot canyons that I was looking for. So I'll flip you guys around and show you this. We got a nice little slot canyon right here. Well, that's neat. Can I fit? I did fit. So I just came through that. That's kind of cool. Look at that tree root growing down that. Here's the other side of that arch we were at. And then, let's see, we're gonna go up this waterfall real quick. So we're gonna go up that, see if I can do this without falling. There we go. Oh, this is pretty cool. Oh, look at this. This is kind of have a neat little spot. All right, so we just came up all that cool little view spot right here. Oh, and we got another little archway right there. Wow, this is pretty neat up here. I like this. All right, so I'm at this little opening right here. I'm gonna go ahead and go through it. Oh. There we go. Ow. Oh, this is pretty cool. It's like a little maze of slot canyons. Like this one here. This is on now on the other side. And this one, I don't think I'll go down this one, so if I remember correctly, there's a... Oh, this is where the tree trunk is. Yeah, see it right there? Pretty cool though, if you ask me. So you can kind of see the overall rock formations right here. So we just made it to our destination. So we're in a cool mining district up on Victor Pass, and it's just outside of Victor, Colorado. So we're gonna go explore some of the old mining equipment for a little bit, and then we'll work our way into Cripple Creek and then back around. But what I want to do is look at this old farmhouse. This is pretty cool. So ooh, where's my keys? But this farmhouse, or mining house, I guess, is something that's been here for a little bit. You can kind of see it in the trees there. Well, it's actually got a Christmas tree in it. So you can see some of the old mining buildings sticking around. Something collapsed right here. They got an old, I'm not sure what that is, but they have a, I'm guessing that's like a mine shaft, I guess. It's the Vindicator. A little bit of history for you guys. But that thing's big. Look at that thing. So you can see another one behind me here. But I'm in front of this big, I don't know, I think it's like a hoist in a way, but look at this thing. This thing is tall. So you have the pulleys sitting here. Then it comes all the way up there. So this is just part of the little bit of the mining district we're in. We're going to stop at another one. It's just up the road a little bit, but there's I don't know if you can see it behind me. All this right here that you see behind me is all tailings from an active gold mine. So they're mining the gold dust. I think it's like a dust. So they're mining all that and processing it through. So I'll show you this mine. It's a big open pit mine when we get there. The thing's huge, but that's that'd be my guess is they were mining gold up here, maybe some silver, but like right here, I'll flip you guys around. So from here all the way to as far as you can see is all tailings, and there's a big open pit mine on the, I think it's on the other side of that, I think. But we're gonna go check it out. I'll show you how big this mine is. It's actually really big, but it's still active to this day, and it's kind of a neat, like I said, it's kind of neat to see modern mining going on in 2025. Just outside of Victor, we're not too far from Cripple Creek. We're gonna go check out this something pretty cool up here. Colorado has, I think, 2 of these, and I've been to both, but when we get there I'll show you. But if you look kind of behind me right here and see all that right there, that's all the mining from the open pit mine that I was talking to you about earlier. That's all the tailings. But we're almost at our location here, and I'll show you this. All right, so we're at Rita the Rock Collector, I think it is, and you can see her right there. Pretty cool though. There's two of these trolls in Colorado, the other one's in Breckenridge, but I kind of like this one better. All right, so we have a really epic view right here. I'm going to show you guys here in a second. And this area down here is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, a view just all the way around. And then this is still that open pit mine. You can see Rita the stone collector. But this is an absolutely gorgeous spot. I've always enjoyed this area, and I can hear the mine. It's actually running right now. But this view that's out here, I mean, it's just amazing. This, with a little bit of cloud cover sitting into the mountains, absolutely gorgeous. So we're at the open pit gold mine here in Cripple Creek, and sorry for the bad audio of the wind, but this is the back side of this open pit. It's actually bigger on the other side, but this is just a little section of it. I don't think they do much on this side anymore. It's all on the other side. Boy, isn't that crazy how big that is? Hey YouTube, if you made it this far, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.